There's another big face-off brewing, but this time it's related to politics, but not. It is about a Hockey India jersey change. Now, Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has criticized the change in Indian hockey team's jersey color from blue to saffron. She says that BJP and RSS are now trying to reshape the country's identity.
देखिए, ये चाहे यूनिफॉर्म बदल लें, ये एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में भी अपनी इतिहास को बदलने की कोशिश करते हैं। कुछ भी कर लें, आपने देखा हमारे देश के युवा क्या सोचते हैं इसके बारे में। ये देश, इस देश की आज़ादी के लिए जो लड़ाई लड़ी गई वो अहिंसा और सत्य पर आधारित थी, उसमें आरएसएस कहीं नहीं थी। और पूरे देश को असलियत मालूम है, और जिनको नहीं पता था उनको आज पता चल रहा है कि इनकी नीयत क्या है।
My colleague Karishma is joining us for more. Karishma, Priyanka Gandhi might have her own explanation, but tell us and our viewers what Hockey India has said. What prompted this change of color of jersey?
Well, what Hockey India is saying in its statement, Priya, is the fact that this is not something that hasn't been done before. In 2014, Hockey India played with a yellow jersey. In 2018, they played with a sky blue jersey. So changes have been made earlier as well. And this time around, the changes have been made because as per Hockey India, it was a recommendation that came in from the players, from the coaches and from the technical staff because the turf on which hockey is played is also blue, and the playing colors, the jersey colors also match with that turf. So as per Hockey India, that did not prove to be beneficial for the players, and there was a hindrance with the clarity and the visibility, and that is why they have opted for a different color. Now they had two options, one yellow and second saffron. They went for saffron because it is a part of the national flag. They have tried to incorporate the India colors. They have the flag stripes here on the jersey. They have the dark blue collar as well. So they have obviously made the changes, but they say that these are the India colors that we are sticking to, and if Indian team was to do well in this upcoming World Cup or then in the Asian Games and book themselves a LA Olympic berth, this particular uniform could continue till LA 2028 as well. And if they were to not perform well, then the jersey could also be changed, like similarly happened in 2014 when the results weren't very good with the yellow jersey. It was changed, and same in 2018 as well. So these changes have been happening is what the Hockey India has maintained, but former greats of the game not very happy as they only relate blue with the color of hockey in India. Women in blue, men in blue is what you relate to when you say hockey or even cricket for that matter. So that is why there is a bit of debate. Virendra Raskina also saying that this has been embarrassing. He posted on social media quoting the video that was posted by Hockey India, but everyone has clarified within Hockey India that this was done for technical reasons, and they have also asked to keep politics out of sport.
Okay, all right. Karishma, stay with us. You mentioned that some are not very happy with it. Hockey India President Dilip Kumar Tirki, though, has defended the introduction of the saffron jersey for Team India ahead of the FIH Hockey World Cup 2026. Tirki said that the decision was based on feedback from the coaches, the support staff, captains and the players who felt that the blue jersey reduced visibility against the blue hockey turf. And he noted that India had also worn yellow in 2014 and light blue in 2018, stressing that jersey colors have been changed before. So Tirki added that orange was chosen as one of those colors of the national flag, and said that Hockey India is open to changing the jersey again after the World Cup if the players are not really happy with it.
15 अगस्त से वर्ल्ड कप शुरू होने जा रहा है। पहले टीम इंडिया का दोनों महिला पुरुष का जर्सी लॉन्च हुआ, ऑरेंज रखा गया है। हमारे कोचेस, सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ और प्लेयरों की तरफ से, कैप्टन्स, उनकी तरफ से सेशन आया था। जो हॉकी टर्फ फील्ड भी है वो भी ब्लू है, और जो प्लेइंग किट है खिलाड़ियों का वो भी ब्लू है। उस दौरान कहीं ना कहीं विजिबिलिटी उस हिसाब से नहीं हो पा रहा है। देखा गया कि ऑरेंज कलर हमारे जो देश के नेशनल कलर है, तो इसलिए ऑरेंज कलर को चूज किया गया। तो फ्यूचर में हम कलर को दोबारा हम और कैसे बेटर हो पाएगा उसके ऊपर भी हम काम कर सकते हैं.
So ahead of the hockey tournament, the color of the jersey for the team has been selected as saffron, and Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha has welcomed this move, saying that there are only anti-national people who seem to be against it. Now, the former India hockey captain has also criticized the reported decision to introduce a saffron jersey for the team, saying that the move is embarrassing. In fact, in a post on X, one of the most celebrated hockey players, Viren Reskinha, has said that it is embarrassing. In the post, he goes on to say that legacy of Indian hockey has always been associated with the blue jersey, which generations of players have also worn with pride, clarifying that his objection is not political. The issue is about preserving the team's identity. Drawing a comparison with football, he asked whether Argentina would ever replace the iconic blue and white stripes with an orange jersey, arguing that fans expect India's hockey team to continue wearing blue. But a counterpoint that has come in, Karishma, is that it's not the first time it has been changed. Previously as well, it has been changed twice. In fact, the hockey team, as said by Hockey India, is also open for a change. The next time as well, if the players are not happy, it can be changed later as well. So why is there so much controversy around it?
Well, yes, absolutely. I think the reason for controversy is the fact that Hockey India went ahead and chose saffron when it also had the option of yellow. But what Hockey India is maintaining is that the only reason they chose saffron is because it is a part of our India flag. It is one of the top colors when we look at the India flag, and that is why they chose to go ahead with saffron, with the India flag also on the jersey and the blue color also incorporated in the jersey. And if I'm not wrong, India also written in the front of it with white, so incorporating all colors possible of the India flag into this jersey. And like we've been reporting from the beginning, color changes in the jersey happened in 2014, happened in 2018, and were then changed. So similarly, it can be changed after this particular tournament in the World Cup or after the Asian Games. And if the Indian team were to do well in these two tournaments, this particular uniform could also continue till the LA 2028 Olympics. But the Hockey India maintaining and emphasizing on one simple fact, that there is nothing to do with politics as far as this decision is concerned. It is to do with the fact that they want their players to do well, and that it has been a recommendation that has come in with the competent authorities that are involved with the sport, that the blue playing colors and the blue turf merge, and that is why clarity and visibility becomes an issue. So they are going to try this time around in the World Cup with a new color, which is saffron. And remember, this World Cup, as far as hockey is concerned, is very, very important because it's also a 50-year anniversary of India winning the World Cup back in 1975. So the expectations that Hockey India has from this hockey team are also immense, and they want to see the men's team doing very, very well, and probably, possibly winning the World Cup as well, and then going on to do well in the Asian Games. So it will be very interesting to see how this change of uniform helps them, or whether it helps them at all or not in this particular World Cup, and then on to the Asian Games, where they will be playing to qualify for the LA 2028 Olympics.
Okay, all right. We have more reactions coming in, and it clearly looks like the hockey players, many on the political spectrum as well, have taken their own sides. Listen into more reactions.
देश का राष्ट्रीय खेल हॉकी बड़ा टूर्नामेंट होने जा रहा है, और इस खेल में खिलाड़ियों के लिए भगवा रंग की जर्सी बनाए जाने को लेकर के कुछ राष्ट्र विरोधी तत्व उसका विरोध कर रहे हैं। अखिल भारत हिंदू महासभा इसका पुरजोर स्वागत करती है, बधाई देती है कि सूर्य के प्रकाश को चुना है उन्होंने, जो सूर्य का प्रकाश पूरी दुनिया को ऊर्जा देता है, ताकत देता है, प्रकाश देता है। ऐसा रंग चुना जाना देश की हॉकी के लिए, खेल के लिए, खिलाड़ियों के लिए एक ऊर्जा का सबब है। पुनः हॉकी फेडरेशन को बहुत बहुत बधाई।
So we spoke about the facts of the case. You said why the changes have been brought in and how previously as well it has changed and it never really caused any controversy. It's only now that saffron has been picked that some have objected to it or have seen a political tone to it, Karishma. But any official response coming in from the Hockey India on this, and is this likely to be the jersey that India is going to be wearing irrespective of the controversy around it?
Well, yes, absolutely. You know, what Hockey India is maintaining through its official statement is the fact that this is nothing new. Probably the color that has been chosen has sparked the controversy that everyone wants to chip into it. In fact, Viren Raskina on social media saying that this is embarrassing, and then a lot of people obviously talking about the politics of it all, and then Viren Raskina again taking to social media and saying that I'm only talking about the color. I don't want to get into the politics of it. But it has led to Hockey India clarifying through a statement that it has only been done on a technical recommendation, and the only reason saffron was chosen was because it is a part of the India flag, and whenever our teams play, our players play in these important tournaments, they like to have India with themselves. Even when we did an interview with Mirabai, she had nothing to represent India, so she made a small bow and put it in her hair, and I remember asking her that question, and she said that it keeps me motivated to have India colors on me. So obviously having the India flag stripes, the blue collar, the saffron jersey, Hockey India's way of keeping the India colors but also ensuring that performance is not harmed in any way, and if it can prove beneficial for the players, then why not? So it can also be seen as an experiment in this particular World Cup that will start on the 15th of August in Belgium and Netherlands as to how the men's team plays with this saffron jersey, because the technical committee recommendation has been that there is a problem with visibility and clarity when we play wearing blue on a blue turf. So it will be interesting to see how the men's team or the hockey team perform with this change in jersey, and can it bring about a change in their performance as well, because it is the right time for the men's team to peak. One, it is the 50th year anniversary of the World Cup that we won in 1975, and then we have the very, very important Asian Games as well, which will be a qualifying for the LA 2028 Olympic for the hockey team.
Okay, all right, Karishma, thank you for getting us all those details. So for the players, it's about what happens in the match, but clearly the conversation around it has not ended. A lot more reactions coming in, and we're keeping a track of that. But at the moment, we are breaking updates.